Dear learners and viewers, good morning to everybody. First of all, I welcome to you on my online class. For the new ones, this is Shopon Kantide, English teacher, BCC Academy School and College. Today, I will discuss degree. Already, we have learned or we have known the definition of degree because I have taken 2 classes on degree in your class. Today, I will discuss the rules of degree. Dear learners and viewers, are you ready? Yes. Let's go to start the main point. Degree. Okay. Be attentive to my lecture and write down the points. Okay. Okay. Rules 1. At first I have to write the key rules 1. Rules 1. Superlative. Superlative. In the superlative degree, we get one of the, then this one of the is a kind of a phrase. Comparative. In superlative degree, we get one of the. If you want to convert this line comparative form, instead of one of the, we have to use to give most other, or many other. You can use any one. If you want to convert or transform this line is positive degree, we have to use instead of most other or many other, we have to use the very few. After this phrase, will you get a noun? This noun always become plural. This noun always plural. Dear learners, have you write down this point? Okay. In the superlative degree, we get one of the. If you want to transform or if you want to convert these lines comparative degree, we have to use most other or many other instead of one of them. Then this line, if you want to positive degree, we have to use very few instead of most other and many other. Have you understood, dear learners and viewers? Thank you. Then I can discuss another one rules. At first you have to know the rules of degree, then I will discuss details. Okay, I will give another example. Then rules 2. Superlative degree. In superlative degree, we get the symbol of the or the most. The most is the symbol of the superlative degree. In the superlative degree, we get the or the most symbol. If you want to transform this line comparative degree, we have to use another phrase. This is called the any other. After then we have to use another any other. Okay, have you understood? Okay. Superlative degree, we get the sentence is the superlative the or the most. Instead of if we want to transform this line into comparative degree, you must use any other. We must use any other after then. After then. Have you understood? Okay. Then this line, if you want to convert or transform this line positive degree, you must use instead of any other, we have to use no other. You have to use no other because it's positive degree. This called the superlative. This line is K. Comparative. This line is K. No K other. Have you understood? Okay. After K, we get another noun. Is K called the K? Noun is K singular. Noun is singular. Have you understood? Dear learners, again I discuss this rule. Again I am discussing these rules. আমি আবার টপিকটা আলোচনা করতেছি superlative. Okay, superlative. In the superlative, we get the or the most. This line we have to convert the comparative degree. If you want to convert it degree, this line we have to use instead of this phrase, instead of this word or this phrase, any other. This line we have to convert positive degree. Instead of any other, we have to use K, no other. We have to use K, no other. We get a noun in the sentence. This noun always be singular. Always be singular. Have you understood, dear learners? Okay. I can go another rules. Rule 3. Rule 3. Superlative. In the superlative, if you get of any, if we get any, without this phrase, we have to convert into the key. We have to convert comparative key degree. Comparative degree. Without this or instead of this phrase, we have to use another word. This is called the any other. Any other. Instead of this phrase, we have to use another phrase. Is called the key any other. Okay. Then positive. We have to convert it to this line positive. Any other sense, or without any other, or instead of any other, we have to use no other. We have to use K, no other. Have you understood? Then after we get a noun. In the sentence we get a noun. Noun is always case singular. Noun is always singular. Have you understood, dear learners? Have you understood, dear learners? Okay. I am discussing again superlative. In the sentence we get any of any. Instead of any, we have to use any other in comparative degree. In the positive degree, instead of any other, we have to use no other. No other. After this phrase, we get a noun. This noun always be singular. Have you understood? Okay, thank you. Then rule 4, superlative. Superlative of all. In the superlative degree, if we get of all, this line we have to convert comparative degree. Instead of all, instead of this phrase, instead of all, or instead of this phrase, we have to use all other. We have to use all other. Okay. You can also use any other. We can also use any other. Then this line we have to transform or convert positive degree. Positive degree. In positive degree, we have to use no other. We have to use no other instead of all other or any other. Have you understood? This line, if you want to convert this line comparative into positive, instead of all other or any other, we have to use no other. After of all or all other, noun always follow plural. Any other or no other, noun always follow case, singular. Have you understood, dear learners? These 4 rules is very important in degree. After completing 4 rules, you will be able to transform superlative to comparative, comparative to positive. We will be able easily how to say superlative and comparative and positive. But we have to attend our lecture regularly. Try to yourself and write down these rules. Write down these rules on your exercise book. I will discuss later on this topic second class. Okay, dear learners and viewers, all my dear students, all dear my students, you are requested to or you are suggested to attend the class regularly through online or in the online. In the online class, we should keep in touch with us. Thank you everybody and my dear learners and viewers. Thank you.